Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are watching Chikenum, all about fashion and beauty. And in this video, I'm going to be making a gorgeous Zara head wrap. So please watch till the end so you don't miss out. And also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, please share the video, and also feel free to comment. And the first thing I need to make this Zara head wrap is a ribbon. This is a designer's ribbon of 1.5 yard. Then I'm also using my marco. I actually use this marco to make a bag, and this is what is remaining. So this is my marco. So the next thing I'm using is my bridal satin, which is half yard, and I actually folded it into two. So this is the middle of the bridal satin. I had to iron it to make it sharp. From the middle, I'm going to measure 7.5. Then the wideness will be 3.5. Now I cut my ribbon into 3 pieces and the marco into the length 17. Now I'm going to sew the ribbon together to make it one piece. Now this is the ribbon after sewing. And this is my marking. So the ribbon now, I've already sewed it. This is how it looks like. I sewed the edges, the two edges. Now I will open my fabric and mark out where I'll be placing the ribbon. From the middle, I took 7.5 before, but I added extra 1 inch to make it 8.5, which is 17. So I'm going to mark another spot where I'll be placing the ribbon, and it is going to be the exact size as the first marking. I'm using my ruler to make sure my marking is straight. I'm going to use my machine to sew around the edges. So I left an extra here because of the folding. So this is how to sew the ribbon on the fabric. So this is how it looks like after the sewing. This is the back of the fabric. This is the sewing. And this is the front. This is how it looks like. So this is my marco now. It is a little bit wider than the ribbon I just sewed on the fabric. So I'm going to be removing some inches to make it equal with the ribbon. So now it is now equal with the ribbon. I'm going to place the marco on the exact side I sewed the ribbon, but through the back. Yes, when I place it like this, then I'm going to fold it. So now this particular edge is where I'm going to be sewing first. So I'm going to sew these two edges first. So this is it after sewing. I first of all sew the marco inside the fabric. I will be folding the edges round now. I will first of all fold the top, then fold the side, before folding the down. So this is it after sewing. I sewed it down, I sewed the top and the edge. I just sew it all round. This is the front view of the Zara head wrap. This is a complete half yard of bridal satin. Now this is my designer's ribbon at the front. Now I'm going to tie it on this dummy so you see how it looks like. This is the back view. I'm not actually good at tying a tie, but I just have to tie it like this to show you guys how it looks like after sewing. So this is all. Please subscribe to my channel. If you actually watched to this point, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it, and feel free to comment. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.